source-oriented record, and problem-oriented medical record, that is POMR, and its components are database, problem list, plan of care, and progress notes. Under progress note, there are 2 or 3 methods, SOAP and SOPIER. And next is PI, that is problem intervention and evaluation. Next is focus charting and charting by exception and computerized documentation. I am coming one by one. Source-oriented record. This is elaborative. Each person or department makes notation in a separate section on the client's chart. That is, the admission department has an admission sheet, the physician has a physician order sheet, a physician's history sheet, and progress notes. Nurses use the nurses' notes, and other departments have their own records. In this type of record, information about a particular problem is distributed throughout the record. As for example, if a client has hemiplegia, one-sided left hemiplegia, data about this problem might be found in the total history sheet, in the physician's order sheet, in the nurse's notes, in the physical therapist record, and in the social service record. That means the problem is found in everywhere. So in this hospital, whichever we are maintaining, this is most likely this type of record, source-oriented records. In one PhD, we are keeping all those records. We are keeping our record, doctors are keeping their record, any dietitian or physiotherapist like this, if anybody is referred, they are also giving their comments on that particular record. So this is mainly this type of record. Problem-oriented medical record. Data organized by problems or diagnosis. Ideally, all healthcare team members can contribute to list, and coordinated plan of care is given here. And its main components are database, problem list, nursing care plan, and progress notes. POMR database, history and physical assessment, nursing admission assessment, ongoing assessment, up to the patient's hospitalization. There may be some problems may be resolved or new problem may arise. So ongoing assessment is necessary throughout the hospitalization of the client. And laboratory reports, radiology reports, and records of each hospital visit. That means the patient each time is coming in the hospital and again discharged, again coming, again say has some problem like this. So all over the patients coming and going to the home or hospital, total record will be in the record form. Holistic needs based on data, that is holistic needs means all over the aspect, that is physical, psychological, social, cultural, spiritual, developmental, and environmental needs. In medical patients, those are not so important except physiological, psychological, or social. In psychiatric patient, all the needs are very important. We have also considered the social and developmental and environmental needs also. So look after the all needs. Chronological list on front of the chart and data when problem resolved or new problem occurs. Next is plan of care. It is made with reference to the active problems. Care plans are generated by the person who lists the problems. Physician writes physician's orders or medical care plans, nurse writes nurse's assessment, nursing orders, and nursing care plans. The written plan in the record is listed under each problem in the progress notes and is not isolated in a separate list of orders. Next is POMR progress notes. That is in the form of mainly SOAP. SOAP means S for subjective data, what the client feels about, and O for objective data measured by physical assessment as you see the patient, and assessment is interpretation about subjective and objective data, what the problems you have identified in the patient, and plan of care designed to resolve that problem of the patient, and intervention what actually performed by you to resolve that problem, and evaluation client's response to nursing interventions, and revision reflects care plan modification. So you can make the record in SOAP form also, or it can be extended up to SOAPIE, up to that evaluation, up to evaluation you can record also, or you can make it elaborative. So the revision part you can also add to this form. Next is pie charting. Pie for P for problem, that is already in the previous method which I have discussed as problem of the patient, that is after assessment what you have identified in the patient, that is the problem, and intervention means nursing intervention, what you want to do to resolve the problem, and evaluation is patient's responses. So that is only in pie method. So you need not go in details, only P, I, and E in this abbreviated in this three forms you can write your records. Next is focus study, focus or DAR. Here D for data, that is also subjective and objective assessment, and action for intervention, and response, R for response of client, that is that goes to evaluation part only. Next is source records. Chart is so organized that each discipline has own section to record data. Sections can be easily located, and disadvantage mainly not organized by client problem. That means in this type of records, all departments can give their records, but it is not organized so well, and it is very much narrative and elaborative. So you have to write in details, and if you go through the record, it is also time consuming. Source record. Charting by exception. Only abnormal things are charted here. That's why it is called charting by exception. Only exceptional things will be charted here. That means anything abnormal or significant findings to the normal values, that only recorded. Like it has three components also, like flow sheets. Flow sheets you know very well. Temperature sheet is a type of flow sheet. And standard of nursing care, documentation is according to the policy of the hospital. So if our hospital is having the policy of temperature recording 4 hourly, so we must record the temperature 4 hours. Examples of flow sheets include a graphic record, that is temperature, fluid and electrolyte, fluid balance record, intake and output chart, and daily nursing assessment record, and another is body weight. And standard of nursing care, documentation by reference of the hospital's policy and according to the standard of nursing practice, eliminates much of the repetitive charting of routine care. That is, nurse must ensure that the unconscious client has oral care at least every 4th hour. And it streamlines documentation, reduces repetition, so saves time. Short version to document normals, routine care items based on established standards. Progress note when standards not met, and assumes all standards are met unless otherwise charted. Exceptions must be noted. Next is computerized documentation. Computerized clinical record systems are being developed in a way to manage the huge volume of information. Nurse use computers to store the client's database and add new data, create and revise care plans, and document client progresses. Some institutions have a computer terminal at nurse station or each client's website, or nurse carry a small handheld computer, enabling the nurse to document care immediately after it is given. Documenting nursing activities. Admission nursing assessment, nursing care plans, card access, flow sheets, progress notes, and nursing discharge or referral summaries. Documenting nursing activities. Admission nursing assessment, that is a comprehensive admission assessment, also referred to as initial database. Nursing history or nursing assessment is completed when the client is admitted to the nursing unit. Next is nursing care plan. Two types of nursing care plans is usually written, traditional or standardized. The traditional care plan is written for each client according to the need of the client, and standardized care plan developed to save documentation time. It may be based on the institutional standard practice, thereby helping to provide a high quality of nursing care. Card access. This is a new conception. It is a concise method of organizing and recording data about a client, making information quickly accessible to all health professionals. The system consists of a series of cards kept in a portable index file or on computer generated forms. The card for a particular client can be quickly